Naveen, yes.
అదే సార్ ఇప్పుడు డౌట్ అడిగాను కదా, ఫైనాన్షియల్ రిపోర్ట్స్ అని చెప్పాను కదా, వాట్ వీఆర్
Okay.
చెకింగ్ ఇన్ దట్ application relating to the financials. It means is profit and loss tables or the gross like that. Otherwise, any progress regarding to the any project like what is they are investing.
See, like when what you will be doing the audit for the IT organizations means by using of ITGC. So like whenever we have joined in any IT organization, so we will be having the authorized access. Authorized access is nothing but it is a ID card we are having, right? If the
Yes,
person
yes.
is like a person like suitable employee ఆ కంపెనీకి అంటే లైక్ తనకి ఒక ఐడి కార్డు ఉంటుంది అనమాట. He only can enter into that organization. So for that, like ఇప్పుడు suppose Venkat అనే person like he is working in the Wipro, I am working in the Infosys. If I will be taking the Infosys ID card to the Wipro, if access is successfully for the happening in that Wipro Infosys organization, so like it is a risk, right? So unauthorized persons who are not working in the Infosys employees also, the other external peoples also can enter into the Infosys organization. When they have entered into that organization, so what will be there where like they will be the risk will be happening. For that risk, how we will be controlling, we will be keeping the CC cameras and the security surveillance and security persons by the 24/7. So this is the one control we are placing like that in IT organization. So there will be the different domains and different departments and the different fields.
Okay.
Okay, so in the different domains and the different fields, in the different domains we will be having a lot of applications, right? If you have taken one technology that is a cloud technology, in that there is a AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, like there is a MongoDB, SQL, Oracle. So there are so many databases, right, to storage the data.
Okay.
Like that, some companies will be using the some applications, they will not be using all applications, right? All companies, there is a like there is no mandatory rule to use all the applications, right? So here we will be keep implementing the controls. Yesterday you have listened, right?
Okay.
What is ITGC and all the things. Are you getting it, or you in still confusion?
Sorry, sir, Pat. And 1 minute back, I didn't get your voice.
One second. See, what I am saying means yesterday you have listened the class, right? ITGC. What is ITGC? You have listened, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So in that ITGC, what you have learned? You have learned like there will be the 4 domains. Then what is access management, change management, incident management, and the computer IT operations.
Yes.
Okay, so there will be the 4 domains. By using of that 4 domains, we will be implementing those 4 domains into the applications. This is the part we are learning here. Have you got it, Venkat? Like, are you are in still confusion? If you are not getting to understand, so we will try to explain in the another way.
Still have, I didn't get its point. So is ITGC, we can control the access management, change management.
See, from yesterday class, so what you have listened and what you got understood. Can you please explain me?
As per yesterday class, I understand the ITGC, it is information technology and general control. That
Okay.
it means in that we can control that information to risk. We can control the risk. It means like assess. You told like the assess management. It is someone
Sorry,
people.
1 second. Like, see, where you will be controlling the risk. For the applications only, right? You will be controlling the risk.
Yes, yes,
You have missed that point, right? If you have taken that point into the brain, so it will be getting understood. See, first, when the risk will be coming, if there is anything, particular thing or any item should be there only, so the risk will be entering. If there is any particular item, so how risk will be coming? Information technology general controls are the controls we are applying for the applications and the databases and operating systems and IT infrastructure. Without these items only, where the risk will be getting, what we are going to implement. So these things, which things? For these applications, we will be going to implement the access management, change management, incident management, or computer operations or IT operations. Have you got it now? So like currently you're working in which field?
seed industry, agriculture.
Seed industry.
Yes.
Okay. See, like when you're working in the seed industry, so you are a part of the IT or it is a physical working you are doing there?
I'm working in operations.
Sorry, operations.
Yes, seed processing and seed treatment.
Okay, so it is a physically touching or it is a by the system, like you will be working in the system by using any
Physically
software
touching.
or
No, physically touching.
okay, you will
I'm
not be
using.
using any softwares.
No, I'm using that MX Excel and Office.
MS Excel and Office.
Yes.
Okay. See, like here, for example, for your example, how I can say that, like take as an example as a access management for the Excel.
Hmm.
When you have taken the Excel as an example for this access management control, now we are working in the office, so you are having the like office laptop and something you are working in the seed industry, so they are giving the license for that Excel and all the MS Office tools.
Okay.
So for that only you can log in. If you have got the personal laptop, if you have opened that Excel and Word without your license, with by using your Gmail ID also, Excel and Word will not be open, right, without the license.
Yes.
It will be asking the license rate.
Yes.
So like that, here we will be checking as an auditor, we will be checking these things only. Suppose Venkat is having the access for the Excel and sorry, MS Office tools. Rashid is not having the access for the MS Office tools. So how is difference between Rashid and Venkat?
Okay.
These things we will be checking for the access. If Venkat is having, he want to have that license certificate. He want to have that license paper or the document, something which has given by the Microsoft. Correct, right? How much validity and all the things it will be giving.
Yes.
If Rashid is not using that for MS Office tools, he could not enter into that applications only. He cannot log in into that. If he got the login, there is a risk. Why there is a risk? Actually, their company is saying that Rashid don't have the access for these MS Office tools.
Yes.
Now you got it,
Yes, I got it now.
or still in the confusion case?
No, 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 I got it.
So before joining only, I'm trying to understand you. So what you are learning here, how the IT audit will be getting done. So continuously, I'm saying by class to class, so you will not be getting to it.
Okay.
If you still in the confusion case, in any doubts, so you can let me know. So I will clear the doubts. So
Okay,
not
sure,
only
sure.
Venkat, like Rashid and Sudha, so from previous classes, you're having any doubts?
Sir, I don't have those. Sir.
Okay, so you got it right from the yesterday class, what we have
Yeah,
discussing.
yes, sir. Up to now, I cleared that.
Okay. Rashid, yourself?
Yeah, clear one.
I think one of your member you have referred, right? Your friend or something, your relation, you have said that.
You're asking me, sir.
Sorry?
You're asking me that question.
No. I think you also referred one of your friend, right? In the demo class, I think. I did not remember.
Okay.
See, again, from the yesterday class, what we have discussed. So we have discussed that ITGC process, what is ITGC, and the main objective of the ITGC. What is the main objective of the ITGC? So access management, change management, incident management, and computer operations or IT operations. We have discussed on these four things. Okay. So in yesterday, we have discussed about the what is access management. Here under the access management domain, we are having these controls. So we have discussed about these controls: policies and procedures, user access request, password requirements, privileged access, physical access, periodic access reviews, segregation of duties. So from the tomorrow onwards, we will be going by the control wise, guys. So today also we will be discussing about briefly about these four domains, how we will be working for these four domains with the IT organizations from the tomorrow class onwards. So don't miss any class. So the recordings will not be sharing to the public. So they will be keeping in the database and they will be sharing to the directly to the users, as you have got the message in the group for the paid persons only. So they will be allowing to enter into the class. And next, change management, guys. So anyone in the class, so like what is a change for application? Anyone, it is a like not only into the IT organization, you can take as any one application, like not only one application, you can take any example, real-time example. So like, are you people are thinking or not? I am not getting it. Like I'm saying that so many faces are like blind only. When I asked, you are saying that okay. So when I am repeating the question, I am not getting the answer.
Like, for change management, like if there is any, for example, there's a software and there's a latest update for that.
Okay.
So usually, that software gets first tested and then gets deployed into the production. So like before getting deployed into the production, whether the approval has been uh, like properly done or not.
Okay. Okay. Correct. That is a correct thing. Okay. Good. So for the change management, for the general terms, so where we will be seeing, so we will be seeing in the daily life, guys, where we will be seeing. So we are, all are using the smartphones, right? So all are using the smartphones. you will be using the so many applications in your mobile, like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So there are the social apps and the music apps and the business apps, delivery apps. So there are something like grocery apps. So there are so many apps, unlimited applications you will be using in the mobiles. So for example, if you have taken the WhatsApp, so previously, when the first time, so when the WhatsApp, they have introduced the status feature, it is up to 15 seconds. Okay. And next it went to update to 30 seconds. Okay. From 15 seconds to 30 seconds. So like what they have seen, so they have seen for the 15 seconds, how the people are interested in this WhatsApp status feature. All the people got interested and they are getting of the huge income from that. So they have next what they have done, they have making to the 30 seconds for the WhatsApp. Before directly it is making to the 30 seconds. See, we are using in applications, there will be the three types of applications, guys. So like not applications, three types of interfaces for the applications. One is development, one is testing, another is the production. We are using the production application, but not in the edit axis. It is in the display axis, guys. We can't change our WhatsApp logo or from status charts from left side to the right side, status button from middle to the right or left. We can't do anything. We got only the display access for that WhatsApp application. We can update the status and we can remove the status, or we can hide our status. We can share the status with our favorite persons. These only things we can do. But when we have edit access in the production, we can do the all the things. We can move the status tab from right to left or left to right. All the things we can do that. So for that, this WhatsApp application for making of this change from 15 seconds to 30 seconds of WhatsApp status in every organization, for every application, there will be the process for doing the changes. Simply directly, they will not be taking that software code into the production. Why they will not be taking into the production? Suppose, see, take a Flipkart example. Before the last 4 days, Big Billion Day was completed. So we are using that production application. They have kept the iPhone for iPhone 13 like 45 to between 50K. When they have kept for 45 to 50K for that iPhone sales, so they will be keeping for only for 3 to 4 hours only. After that, the rate will be increasing, or they will be showing that currently this it is a out of stock, or currently this order is unavailable. They will be showing like this some things. Okay, by mistakenly, if they have edited their access from 45 to 50K, so they have by mistakenly they have removed the zeros for the end users. End users is nothing but for the customers. It is showing as a 45 rupees. How many people will be buying on that time? So if they have buying like 10 to 20 people have seen, within seconds they will buy that and they will pay the 45 rupees. What Flipkart will say, Flipkart will not cancel that product. If they have canceled that product, they will lose their marketing. They will lose their customers. So for these production issues, before to the production, there will be the development doing for that code and testing. And after the testing, it will be entering into the production. For these things only, we are saying as a change management. In the change management control, what you want to remember means like only the most three important things. The three important things is the development, testing, production. These are the three things we want to remind in our mind. When you are doing auditing, you want to remember yourself as an auditor. You want to do the audit. IT organization is nothing but it is also one business only, guys. Like hotels or anything, it is also one business only nowadays. Like there are like, that's why there are so many startups are getting start. All the things are happening and the moving faster. and so many technologies were getting to introduced. So this is a change management process. Under the change management, we are having this controls. Yesterday, I said that there will be the policy and the procedure control and authorization testing approval. Authorization testing approval is nothing but after the development. What development? So these are authorization testing approval, and after the testing, it want to be enter into the migration. It is a migration to the live environment. And configuration changes is nothing but it is a made for the system. That is a configuration changes, emergency changes, data migration, post implementation reviews. So these are the controls we'll be discussing under the change management, guys. So first of all, like you want to briefly understood about the change management process for each application, how they will be doing the change. For this change, how they are implementing. So anyone having the doubts in this change management, guys? If you are not getting to understood, so I will explain once again. So, but this is the main concept. From this only, we will be starting our ITGC. If you're not getting this access management and change management, incident management and computer IT operations, there is no use of your learning the controls. I think you are silent. I can take it as is.
Yes, sir.
So, Venkat, have you got understood of this change management?
Rohan, what will happen? I don't have the proper signals here.
Sorry, proper?
Signals, network.
Okay.
So that's why I'm not getting your voice from last 15 minutes. I'm searching for network.
Okay.
Sorry to say this, can you repeat again?
So can I know, so the which thing I want to repeat it, if you don't mind? See, we are discussing about the change management. So from the next time onwards, please be concentrate on your network. It will be disturbing to the others also, like saying the same thing and listening them also, for it will be getting their bored. So we are discussing about the change management. So for what is this change management exactly? So now we are using the WhatsApp application, right?
Yes.
So for that WhatsApp application, before the status is 15 seconds.
Okay.
Have you remembered it? So now
Okay.
it has improved to the 30 seconds.
Yes.
So from that 15 seconds to 30 seconds, how they will be doing? As in the IT organizations, for any application, if they want to do any changes for that, from 15 seconds to 13 seconds to the status tab, there will be the some process. What is the process means? They will be, first they want to do the development. After that, they want to do the testing. After testing, it want to be deployed into the production. Okay, so before this change only, so in our mobiles we are using WhatsApp. It is a production application. Okay, what is production application? And in the production application we will not be having the edit access. Edit access is nothing but you will be seeing the status tab. It can't move from left to right, sorry, middle to left or right. It is a standard position. It is a locked. We can't do anything there. Edit. What we can do, we can upload the status and we can remove the status. We can send to our we can share to our favorite contacts, or we can set as a privacy for these persons. These only things when the display access. When we are having the edit access mode for this application, what will be going to happen means we can move the status tab, what it is located in the middle, from we can move from it left or right. Okay, in IT organizations, for every application, they will not be having production access. They will be the only the limited people who are having the production access to that application. Like it is in the 50 to 100 below only count. If it is a vast application also, there will not be so much like more than 150 users for the production. So for the change management process, we will be implementing the controls. What are the controls we will be implementing? How the development was happened, how the testing was done. After the testing, it was entered into the production. Before the production, any approvals were taken or not. These things will be getting discussed. So these are total change management process for any application. If one feature want to be add from 15 seconds to 30 seconds, we want to do the development, testing and production. These are the three main things we want to do. So these are change management process. So you got it like, or you were in the confusion?
No, I got it. Thank you for repeat.
Okay. So next, computer operations or IT operations or incident management will be including in the same, guys. So what is a computer operations here? We can see here the what in the computer operation, the first control is the backup and recovery procedures. Here backup and recovery procedures is nothing but, see, when I start the recording, so it will be asking to me, it want to be stored in local device or it want to be stored in the cloud. Okay, so for the 1 hour I will be saying that save it to cloud only. So it is a one backup for me. If you guys are not attending today class, if anyone has missed, you will be getting that record and you will be listening. If I did not done any recording, how we will be getting listen? I can't repeat the class and again one more time. So it is a risk for me and it is a difficulty for me, and one class will be extending on the another day. So the course duration will be also getting increased. So like that, in IT organization, we are having of the so many lots of applications. We are using of the so many projects. In that projects, we are having a lots of applications. For that lots of applications where the data will be gathering and it is stored, we want to check that how it is passing. Suppose take as a normal lame example, that's a WhatsApp application. When you have opened WhatsApp, like after 1 month, like 1 or 2 weeks, it will be asking sometime, you want to do the WhatsApp backup for this account. For the Gmail account, you want to do the WhatsApp backup. It will be asking like daily you want to do, or weekly you want to do, monthly you want to do, or never you want to do the WhatsApp backup. So like that it is asking. Why it is asking? So maybe our data will be some personal will be there. We will be stating that we can't store in that 128 GB or 256 GB mobile given by the companies. The storage will be not enough for us. On that time, we will be stating that for the WhatsApp also, we will be taking the backup. Okay, why backup is required? If there is no backup, what will be happen? For the WhatsApp only, you have the some personal financial information you have shared it to your friends or the families. If the data is not backup, it is a cleared. Your chart is cleared and his other chart is cleared. Now they are blaming on you. You did not paid this much amount. You have taken this much amount on that time. There is no data backup. So here risk will be there, right? You want to like go to the bank and you want to take the bank statements and all the things you want to verify. So when you have paid on which month, on which year, you want to think in your mind and you want to think in your mind and you want to elaborate for all things. What he is asking, you have remembered in your brain. So you have remembered, I paid to him. You are getting confidentially. You are saying that 100% confident I have paid to you. But he is asking the proof for that. Where is the proof now? Where is your chart? Where the messages? So for that risk only, for the sometimes in IT organizations also, for the applications, what we are working, the data want to be stored in some databases. For the auditor, what we will do as auditor, we want to do, the data is passing from that application to the DB application. DB application is nothing but database application. That we will be calling it as a backup and recovery control. So when the data is passing from application to database application, it is passing correct or not? It is failed in sometimes or not? How it will be failed? Take WhatsApp as an example only. So if you suddenly the power cut was happened, the WhatsApp, what the notification it will be getting, what it will be throwing, guys. So pass for the network, there is no network until you turn on the Wi-Fi, the backup will not be proceeded. And again, when we have gone to the settings and we have changed it to Wi-Fi to the any mobile data or anything, it will be automatically start that from that last backup where it is passed, like from 60% it is passed, it will be starting from the 60%. Okay, so this is not only for the WhatsApp application, for the IT organizations also, this will be happening. There will be a lot of applications. The backup we want to see how it is getting flowed or any failures, how they are retreating it. So in this backup and recovery procedures, so all of you got understood or any questions in this?
Understood.
Here nothing but, guys, as an auditor, so when you have joined as an IT auditor, you want to assume your lives as a business. The business person, how they will be thinking, you want to think like that. If 1 rupee get lost, how much it is affecting your business? Like that you want to think in these IT organizations. If any application data is lost, or if any application data comes outside without any authorized person approval, how it is becoming it loss? Suppose we all are working in one company, so we are having some confidentiality data, we should not share to the outside that data. So there is a restriction from organization. Okay, but daily we have shared the data to the outside. The data entered into the other organization. So the other company people, it is they have taken into their organization. They start their working. Okay, so they have taken your all the software codes and they have started their application. before you releasing, that company has released that software application, the same features. Before your release into the market, they have released that application into the market. See, now data is how much important in the IT organizations. Why? So like from the 2 to 4 years, they are struggling for the software application. Within like 3 to 4 months, they got all the code and they have deployed it and they have released into the market. For the backend, the company know the pain, how much they are paying for the employees, how much the project is available. It will be in the crores. For the developing of the application, it will be based on the market. The client will be paying that much amount. So there is a business loss. The client will be getting loss also. The client, next time the client will not be coming into your site, right, in your organization. Why they will come? You can't manage your data securely only. How we can work with you? So like this, we want to think as a auditor's perspective. And the next, incident management or the problem resolution. So incident management is nothing but anything. Emergency alerts. Emergency alerts are the emergency incidents will be occurring. How to solve the issues? They are solving the issues in the regular time or not? Suppose we are having one laptop, it's our company laptop. In that the keyboard will not be working. We will be raising one ticket in that organization. Okay, the ticket, we will be mentioning that issue. They will be giving their scores like high, medium, low. We will be mentioning it as a medium. So it want to solve you between the 6 to 8 hours. Between 6 to 8 hours, they want to solve our issue. For those things, we will be checking issues were not resolved in timely manner or not. So there is a incident problem under resolution, and next is a bad job processing, and the monitoring is nothing but next when we have gone for this control, we will be explaining of the bad job and the monitoring. Now, if I say is like you will be getting the confusion. So here from these 4 domains, anyone in the class, so what you guys understood? Like in your basic terms, you can say what you understood. So I want to get clarity from you guys. If I start from the tomorrow onwards, like each control, if you are in the still confusion, so see anyone in the class. So what you have understood briefly, I will give the one clue. By taking these 4 domains, we will be implementing these controls to applications, operating systems, databases, and supporting IT infrastructure. Okay, so for these applications, we will be using these four domains. It is a say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose for these applications, we will be implementing of this access management domain. So what is the access management? What you have got understood for the access management?
Access management mainly targets the access password policies and like what kind of passwords as like policies has been implemented by the organization and
See,
does any
Yes, so you are saying correct. So it is access management, it is not talking about only the password policy. The first thing you want to take one application, okay? Take one SAP application as an example. Okay, all of you know the SAP, right? SAP will be saying that.
Yes.
So for that SAP application, if any new user joined in the organization, for that SAP application, he want the access. How the access will be providing to him, that we are saying that access management. While giving the access, he want the security for that application, that is a password control we are saying. So that is a briefly about access management. So access management part is completed. Next, for the same application, change management. Take the change management. If you want to move from development to the production, what is the process change for that application? That is a change management process. For anything incident in SAP application, you are not getting something, you can't log in into the application, you will be raising the incident for that application, right? So and so user, I am so and so user, I am so and so from department or the domain or something, I am from this team, so I can't I am not getting to log into the SAP application, so please check this issue on priority. So this is the incident management. And another computer operations, you will be working, okay, in that application you will be working something, you will be entering 1 to 100 numbers. The 1 to 100 numbers today you have worked and it want to be saved automatically. When you come tomorrow, when you have opened that sheet, you want to get that 1 to 100 numbers what you have worked previous day. If it is not getting, you will be getting irritating, or right, what is this, I am state seeing this issue from the long time, why my data is not getting saved, again I want to work, I am wasting my time. So you will be complying to the management. So this is the thing happening, my data is not saving, I am working continuously, what is the issue here?
Sir, how the change management apply in user account understand?
Sorry.
You take the example application SAP, right?
Yes.
How to apply the change management, sir, in SAP?
See, not only for the SAP, in SAP, so you'll be having the development and the quality and the production, right?
Okay.
So how the change management we applying means, if we want to, so you know about the SAP?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in SAP you will be having the tables, you will be working on the tables, right?
Yes, sir.
So when you want to move the table from development to the production, you want to go, you want to get the approval from the higher management.
Yeah, basic thing.
Yes. So development to the production is nothing but they will be creating one client in that SAP application. From that one client to another, for that client
Okay.
only, it will be in the production base.
Okay.
So this process we will be stating that as a change management process.
But how to know the internal audit? These are the process of SAP.
Yes. See, for these the question. So how to know the, as per the internal audit, how to do the audit for the SAP application? We are having one terminology in the audit field, that is we will be stating as a walkthrough. When we have entered into
Okay.
any client or organization, we don't know about that organization, what are the applications they are using, what are the services they are providing to other companies.
Okay.
How many applications in that organization, we don't know. First we will be having all the walkthrough is a nothing but like that, it is a meeting
Business
conversation, it is a discussion.
Okay. It's all about business process, sir.
Yes.
What are the applications they are using?
Yes.
Who are the clients in this?
There will be 200 to 300 applications. So in the 200-300 applications, all applications we will not be going to do the audit. Which application is important for the business, we will be taking that application into the consideration, and we will be start doing the auditing. How we will be
Okay,
doing
sir.
the auditing? By using implementing of these access management controls, change management controls, incident management controls, computer operations or IT operation controls.
Yes, sir. These 4 controls and sub controls we can use this.
Yes.
Okay.
So I want to know about the clarity of the ITGC. All are getting understood or not. So this is the basic class, guys. Before to starting and entering into the controls, first of all, you want to understand the basic concept. So please try to understand it. If you are having any doubts, I am here. I will explain you. So Venkat, you got understood it?
Yes, I got it.
So like, don't feel hesitate like you're from another background industry, right? You said that seed industry. That's why I'm asking you again and again.
Okay, no issue with that. That's good to me because if you ask me.
Yes, no, like, don't think in your mind. So why pitching again and again to me only for the same person?
No, I don't feel like that.
So Rashid and Sudhakar Reddy, so you have understood?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah, clear.
So Sudhakar Reddy, so you were in like out of country?
Yeah, I'm in US.
Okay.
Actually,
So
I joined class today late because I was in other meeting.
okay.
That's why I joined. Yeah.
So you are as a part of analytics or what you are?
Currently, I'm working on Java with the big data.
Sorry.
Working on Java technology
Okay.
with the big data, Spark, and those components.
Okay. So the topics what we are discussing, you are getting it right?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
I think
These are
in the
all the
US, you will be
Yeah.
seeing almost these job opportunities are more, I think.
Yeah, Java is more. Yeah, correct.
Not Java, Sudhakar Reddy. So I have this ITGC, the SOX compliance and this audit compliance will be more, I think.
Maybe more, but I never come across. Recently, only I came to know that this auditing and everything. So
Okay.
that's why I started looking into what is exactly this auditing and
Okay.
who will be doing in the company's auditing. Because sometimes when we are doing work, managers will be telling that there will be no audit. You people have to keep in mind that don't use the passwords and the scripts like static passwords. Yeah, don't hard
Yes,
code the
yes.
values. And
Yes.
also when you are doing commit the code base into the Bitbucket, please provide all the comments for what change we are doing this change, the code changes. They say that auditing will be there. If you are committing without changes, they may raise the concern. So those types of conversation will be going on. That's why I thought of learning this one. Yeah.
Yes. See, like here, for all of you, I'm saying, so in this audit, like you will not be touching the one base technology. You will be touching all the base environments. In the IT organization, complete IT organization, we will be looking to it. How IT organization will be working. If starting from one project to ending to the one project, how it is going to work. What is the process? Suppose like Sudhakar Reddy, he is working as a Java technology, might be he is a developer or something, he is a tester. After the developer, it will be going into the production. From the production, where it is getting into saved.
Yeah, there will be some more process to go to production.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
whether you
like
are following the
you are
process or
working as a developer, like you will be coming to know up to committing your code, from the Bitbucket up to Bitbucket only is your access.
Correct. Yeah.
After the Bitbucket, there is a another applications
Uh,
for taking this
DevOps will
code.
come. Yeah, DevOps team will come. They will do CI/CD process. Yeah.
Yes, so after the testing and testing into it will be getting into the migration. After migration is nothing but after the code what is developed, when it is entering into the production stage also, where it is saving finally. So we will be getting all the things what in the company was doing. This is the one plus point for the auditors.
Yeah.
Here, when you have interested only one field, it is a Java, so you will be working as a Java developer. As an auditor, it will be different to the client. Sometimes you will be working for banking client, financial clients, health clients. There are a lot of different domain industries. We will be working with the different domains. We will be seeing the different applications. We will be seeing different technologies. For the technologies, don't worry guys, where we will be learning these all technologies. When we are entering into the any audit organization for doing the audit, right? First, we will be having the introduction with the client, what this client is working, what the services they are providing to other clients, for their customers. After getting into these all details only, we will be getting applications. For those applications, we will be implementing these controls.
Controls. Yeah. Correct.
So
Yeah,
this is
first we should know the broader view of that LOB. What are all the applications are there, and the process and everything, so that we can implement the audit. Yeah.
yes. The first of all, the first mind we want to keep our the one sentence we want to keep in your mind up to the completion of course or after the completion also. What is IT audit means? In IT organization, there are the so many applications, there are the so many technologies. When there are so many technologies, there will be lot of applications. For that lot of applications, how the process is going on, how they are doing. For those
Yeah.
applications, we will be taking these ITGC controls, we will be implementing it. Implementing is nothing but we will be doing the auditing or testing. For the testing, after the testing, we will be getting a report. That report will be sharing to the external auditor. External auditor will be stating, he will be taking to the higher management and he will be showing to that higher management people, these are the things in your organization. It is working like this, it is not working like that. We have find this, we have find this. So this is the total process of the audit, guys. The basic things from yesterday, what we have discussed, these are the basic things, guys. So that interview questions, part of interview questions, for every 2 days we will be discussing. So yesterday we have discussed. Tomorrow we will be discussing about today's interview questions and tomorrow's class interview questions. Okay. So up to that, who are having any doubts?
Sir, yesterday you said sharing the material today.
Yes. So ping in the group once, so they will be sharing the material to you. If not, I will be sharing directly with you guys. I have received the mails queue, so but they said that we will be sharing. If not, I will be sharing with you.
Okay, sir.
If anyone is not having doubts, so like I will end the section, guys. We will meet in tomorrow.